Hi, and welcome to Ember in the Kitchen. Today I have a helper. This guy here.
Hi.
This is Evan. He is my second born.
Helper.
And he's going to be my big helper today. Today we are going to make chocolate coconut milk ice cream. And we're going to put a little bit of peanut butter at the end. So we'll have little chunks of peanut butter. It'll be delicious. I'm going to adjust my camera here so you guys can see inside the blender. Whoops, blender. All right, we are using our ice cream machine. So this has been in the freezer. The insert part has been in the freezer since last night. Here you go, Evan. Why don't you pour that in there, buddy? It is a super simple recipe. Anyone can do as long as you have the right equipment. You need some kind of blender. And then if you don't have the ice cream machine, you can still do this. So that was 1 can of coconut cream. If you cannot find coconut cream, coconut milk will do. All right. Evan's going to pour in our maple syrup. This is a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey or sugar if you want to. All right. And then we have about a tablespoon of vanilla. You're going to pour that into, buddy. Good job. Okay.
Ice cream.
And this is a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay. So pretty simple. You just dump all the ingredients in. Whoops, wrong thing. Here we go. Lid with the topper on. And I have my blender right over there. This is a Vitamix. Okay, Evan, I'm going to have you sit right here, buddy. Do not come over here because I don't want you to fall down. All right. You blend this up so it's fully incorporated. You're not going to have any lumps. Evan's a little bit excited. Okay, and then
we put it in there.
We're gonna put it in there. That's right, buddy. So here's our liquidy goo. Goodness.
Don't drop it.
Adjust the camera one more time so you guys can see what's kind of going on over here.
Don't drop it in there.
All right, and we're going to pour it in. Evan, can you turn the machine on for Mama?
Yep.
Over here. There you go. So how the ice cream machine works is this outer container that spins is frozen, and it acts like a traditional ice cream machine where you have the 2 containers, the inner and the outer, and there's ice in between the 2 containers. So this simplifies it to 1 container, and then this, okay, Evan, that's enough. And then the white plastic part here, just a minute, Papa, has paddles on it, and it locks into position once this starts spinning, and that churns it. So the liquid is turning with the outer container, and the white plastic part sits still to churn the ice cream. Okay, so we have one more little trick that we're going to do while our ice cream machine is running. Evan, you may only watch for this portion, okay? Mommy is going to use a sharp knife.
So I can't come.
That's right. You may watch, but you may not touch. Okay?
I should have 1 chocolate.
You want 1 chocolate? All right. I will give you a little piece of chocolate. 1 little square. That's all you get, okay? Because the rest we're going to put in our ice cream. So there's a couple different ways you can do your chocolate. I like to make them small-ish, but not too small, because I like to have a bit of a chunk of chocolate in my ice cream bites. So you just, very straightforward, chop up your chocolate. This is a dark chocolate bar. I think it was 71% cocoa.
It's yummy.
So it's a nice, rich, organic chocolate.
Mommy, you only make them too small.
No, I didn't make them too small. Just like that, see? And then this will go in at the very end of our churning period. And that usually takes about 20 minutes. So this is kind of the size chunk I like to do. Papa, don't put your head in the way, please. Thank you.
Okay.
For our ice cream. And then let me show you our frozen peanut butter pieces over here. So before I started, I measured out some little bits of peanut butter. And those will be our toppings as well. So it'll be chocolate chunks and peanut butter chunks. And it will be really yummy.
Mom, just put them in.
So, like I said,
Put them in.
if you don't have vanilla, it's not required. That's an optional thing. If you don't have a blender, you can do that with a whisk, hand whisk. And if you don't have the ice cream machine, you can also use the toucan method with like rock salt or something in between, and you just shake it back and forth.
Hello. Hello.
All right, Evan. We will be back when this is closer to being done, and we'll see what our liquid ice cream base turns into and how easy it is to incorporate our chocolate chunks and peanut butter chunks. All right, thanks. We'll be back real quick.